Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mario back with a video. Hold up, before you start the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what we got to do next. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, so we back out here with another banger. Today we're gonna cook, as you heard. We're gonna cook an egg and cheese sandwich. It's gonna be really good as hell too. So stay tuned with that for right now. Alright, so let's get it.
Alright, so this is the greens and the stuff we need to make this cheese and egg sandwich. Alright, we need bread. Of course, how are we gonna make the egg and cheese sandwich? We need eggs. We need cheese right here. We need a knife to cut the bread. We need oil. We need a plate to stir up the eggs. And the final thing we need is a pan.
Alright, so that's the ingredients and the stuff we need to make a cheese and egg sandwich. So before we start the stuff we're gonna make a cheese sandwich, make sure y'all want the dough for real. If y'all 18 below or maybe 17, if y'all know how to cook, it's alright, but just make sure there's some dough with you, because I'm not trying to get in trouble there. I got burned, I got freaking cut a knife. Hell no, bro. I'm just warning you right now. Make sure y'all want the dough if y'all gonna cook this shit, because this is really dangerous. Alright, so let's get in back to this video. Alright, so right here, I'm about to cook, the bread right here, and knife right here. Just be careful when you use the knife, alright? So first we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the bread, alright? Alright, so that part is done. Alright, so next procedure we're gonna do, we're gonna 3 eggs right here. So we're gonna put in right here. Just be careful that there's no shells inside, so let's get it. Next, we're gonna stir the eggs, you heard? But there's other ways to do your eggs. If y'all want, y'all could do it. Just open the egg, throw it in the fry, or just stir it up. The way I like my eggs are stirred up, as you know. So let's get it. Alright, so right now there's people that put like salt or pepper on there, but when I put it, I never put salt and pepper. I just leave it like that. But it's your option. Y'all want salt and pepper, y'all could put it on. So let's get it. So right now we're gonna turn on the oven now to like medium for right now. Turn it on to medium only, and then get y'all oil right here, whatever oil. Right now we're using this cheap ass oil, but we have other good ass oils. So we're gonna put, it depends how much egg you put. If you put too much egg, the egg will be mad greasy. So I just put a little bit, that's it, no more. As you can show. Alright, so right now we just waiting for the oil to get like fried. You gotta be careful with this, because we don't, that shit could be dangerous, because I used to got burned with oil, that shit hurt as hell. Anyways, so just wait like at least 2 minutes, like 3, depending how low and high you put your oven, and then put your eggs. Alright, so right now I think it's ready, so we're gonna put our eggs. Alright, so right now we're gonna put the eggs in the oil right now, because it's already ready. When you hear that sound, that means it's ready. You have to wait until that shit get fried in the thing. Oh shit. Alright, so the way I'm doing is stir the eggs shit up. Alright, so right now we're gonna stir it up, as you heard. Never leave your oil too long, because that's when they have the oil in your house, and then your mom will be getting mad. She'll be screaming at you crazy. So now if you have a fan right here, we do, just turn the shit on. Because you want your house when they have the eggs. Stir the shit up. As you know, the camera person in the back of you is my sister. So make sure to follow on Instagram, Snap, and Facebook. Y'all want eyes, so let's get it. Her link will be down below.
No way.
Alright, so right now I think this thing is done. So we're gonna turn this shit off. Let it cool down for like a couple minutes. So right now this thing already finished. So we're gonna put it inside here. This thing here. This bread. Should be careful when you put this shit. I will have to use another technique because this shit not. Alright, so right now, like that shit didn't work, so we're gonna put this thing right here in the plate. It's a better, easy way to do it because if y'all do it like that, because I'm not professional, so I can't do that shit yet. Oh shit, so if y'all throw this shit, just don't eat this shit. I'm using just put it like that. And, oh my god, well, that shit's not working. Just put how much this shit could fill. Alright, so there's leftovers and this shit fell on the floor, so just leave it there. So just leave it there. Now we're gonna get our cheese. And then we just put it on top of it. And that's it. And just close this bread on top of it. And the way I like my shit on my egg and cheese sandwich, I put it in the thing right there. Kamal, no sé qué también.
Pan.
Not in the free pan right here, and Kamal. I don't know how to say this. As you know, we have difficulties that it's just not working. No, my shit's not working, so we're gonna do it now. Alright, so we're gonna go back. Let's get this. Put it right here. Turn it almost high. And if you want that cheesy melt on your cheese, just let it melt. Because right now my pomade is not working. As you call it, AKA pan. I should just leave these like for 2 minutes, 1 minute each side. Like that. And just here, just put it back right here. And I do the other one. Alright, so this we finished. This thing is ready for you to turn on your oven.
Oven?
Yeah, if your oven went up. Just put it right here in your plate. As you know, it's already good to be toasted. You have to do it for more longer than you're supposed to do. Leave your other one right here. Not right now, but it's just so nice. Alright, so we back. As you know, we just showed a cinematic of some crazy stuff we did. We did the best good egg and cheese sandwich I ever made. So this is the final part right here. I took a bite already. It tastes good as hell. I'll take another one and tell you how that shit tastes. This cheese and tastes good as hell. I'm not gonna lie. This cheese sandwich could take at least 20 minutes to make it. Just 20 minutes. It's not even that hard. So you're gonna be right the video, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below whatever I should do next time, and stay tuned for the next video. Alright, so let's get it.